These series of videos are demonstrating how to automate economic policy through code. A link to the GitHub repository is included in the video description. In the previous video, we toured the client. In this video, we're learning where project configuration is declared and how to use it to prevent managing duplicate variable declarations and assignments across the project. Okay. All variable declarations, assignments, and hard coding in the project is added to this root project.yaml file. Collapse the objects in project.yaml, and you'll notice the root keys map the names of directories in project root. Except, some of the YAML keys are not directories. And var and params are metadata properties declaring configuration for the directory in which they sit. And in this case, they're sitting in the root. The envar property, for example, is repeated in other directories where apps declare environment variables, which can be shared like they are here in the services directory, and lists their dependency on them. So this object is saying, I'm the GraphQL service under the services directory, and I set the GraphQL port variable with a default of 10,000. And I also have a dependency on these 11 environment variables. So if you create the .env file for the GraphQL service, and you can open a terminal, cd into services GraphQL, and run make get secrets with env assigned to local. A .env file is created in the services GraphQL directory with environment variables assigned to default values declared in project.yaml. Under the hood, make is just calling a shell script which reads project.yaml and creates the .env file. Okay. You'll notice an SSM property in this object. If your resource is created in the cloud, for example, the infrastructure, Terraform, AWS modules environment directory creates plenty of cloud resources. Project.yaml also assigns variables set in that directory to systems manager parameter paths. You want to create a .env file for a cloud dev environment? Just run make get secrets again with env assigned to dev. And the shell script assigns values from systems manager instead of the defaults. Terraform references project.yaml. Bash references project.yaml. Make references project.yaml. Project.yaml is everywhere, so variable declarations, assignments, and hard coding stay in one place. In the next video, we're going to boot. Bootcamp is just a simple shell script that shows how to invoke services and run various other commands. It helps expedite onboarding. We'll run through it together. You may subscribe, share, and contribute from the buttons and links in the description.